Learn English naturally, one conversation at a time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Conversations. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jacob. Hi, friends. How are you today?
We're so happy you're here with us. Today, we have a really exciting topic. We're talking about AI friends.
Yes, AI means artificial intelligence. It's technology that can talk with you, answer questions, and help you learn.
And the best part? You can use AI to practice English. No pressure, no worry, just practice.
That's right. So before we start, please hit that like button if you enjoy our podcast, and subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
Okay, let's start today's conversation. Jacob, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
So, Jacob, let me ask you a question. Do you ever feel nervous speaking English?
Oh, absolutely. Sometimes I think, what if I make a mistake? What if people don't understand me?
Exactly. Many English learners feel this way. It's normal. But today, we're talking about a solution.
Yes, the solution is talking to AI, like ChatGPT, Google Assistant, or other AI apps on your phone.
Let me tell you a story. My friend Paul was afraid to speak English. He wanted to practice, but he felt shy.
What did Paul do?
He started talking to his AI assistant every day. He asked simple questions, like, "What's the weather today?"
Oh, that's smart. So Paul practiced English without feeling nervous.
Exactly. The AI answered him every time. No judgment, no pressure.
I love that. And listeners, let me explain something important. AI is patient. That means AI waits for you. AI doesn't get angry or bored.
Yes, and AI doesn't judge you. Judge means to criticize or say you're wrong. AI just helps you learn.
So you can make mistakes. You can say things slowly. You can repeat. It's okay.
Let's repeat those two words together. Listeners, say them with us. Ready? Both. Patient. Judge. Good job. You're doing great.
Okay, Olivia, let's talk about how to use AI. What can people do?
Great question. First, you can ask simple questions. For example, ask about the weather.
Like this. What's the weather today? Or will it rain tomorrow?
Perfect. And the AI will answer you in English. You listen and you learn new words.
Let's try another example. You can ask about time, like what time is it? Or what day is today?
Yes, these are easy questions. And when you ask every day, you practice speaking. Speaking becomes easier.
Now, here's a fun idea. You can also ask the AI to teach you something.
Oh, I love this. For example, you can say, "Teach me 5 words about food," or "How do I say hello in a polite way?"
The AI will explain, and you can ask again if you don't understand. Remember, AI is patient.
Let me share another story. My friend Emily uses AI every morning. She practices her small habits in English.
Small habits? What does that mean?
Small habits are little things you do every day, like brushing your teeth or making coffee.
Ah, I see. So Emily talks to AI about her small habits.
Yes, every morning she says to her AI, "I'm making breakfast now," or "I'm drinking my coffee."
That's brilliant. She's practicing real English, English she uses in real life.
Exactly. And here's the key. You don't need perfect English. You just need to start.
Let's repeat that word, start. Say it with us, everyone.
Both. Start.
Good. Now let me give you some example sentences. Repeat after me. Ready? Jacob, I'm making breakfast. Jacob, I'm drinking my coffee. Jacob, what's the weather today?
Wonderful. You're improving already. See? It's not hard.
Now, let's talk about mistakes. Olivia, what if someone makes a mistake when talking to AI?
That's okay. Actually, that's good. When you make mistakes, you learn.
Right. And AI doesn't laugh at you. AI doesn't say, that's wrong. AI just helps you try again.
For example, maybe you say, I go to store yesterday. The AI might answer, did you mean to say I went to the store yesterday?
See? The AI teaches you the correct way. No pressure.
Listeners, let me ask you a question. Are you using your phone to practice English right now?
Maybe you're using an AI app, or maybe you're just listening to us. Either way, you're learning. That's amazing.
Keep going. Every little bit helps.
Okay, Olivia, let's give our listeners some practical tips. How can they start today?
Good idea. Tip number 1, open an AI app on your phone. It can be free. Many apps are free.
Yes, you can use Google Assistant, Siri, or ChatGPT. All are good for practice.
Tip number 2, start with 1 question per day. Just 1. Don't do too much at first.
I like that. What's a good first question?
Try this. What's the weather today? It's simple, easy to say, and useful.
Perfect. Let's practice that together. Everyone, repeat after me. What's the weather today?
Great job.
Tip number 3, talk about your day. Tell the AI what you're doing.
For example, you can say, I'm eating breakfast, or I'm going to work.
Yes, these are present continuous sentences. I'm plus verb with ing.
Let's practice a few. Repeat after Olivia.
I'm eating breakfast. I'm drinking tea. I'm learning English.
Excellent. You're doing so well.
Now, tip number 4, ask the AI to correct you. You can say, please correct my English.
Oh, that's smart. Then the AI knows to help you learn.
Exactly. The AI becomes your teacher, a teacher who's always available.
And finally, tip number 5, have fun. Don't stress. Learning English should be enjoyable.
Yes, you can ask the AI funny questions, like, tell me a joke, or what's your favorite color?
I love that. It makes practice feel like a game.
Exactly. The more you enjoy it, the more you'll practice, and the more you practice, the better you get.
Let's talk about Emily again. Remember her? She talks to AI every morning.
Yes, Emily says her AI friend helps her feel confident. Confident means believing in yourself.
That's beautiful. When you practice every day, even for 5 minutes, you build confidence.
And you know what? Emily makes mistakes sometimes, but she keeps going. She doesn't give up.
That's the most important thing. Don't give up. Every mistake is a step forward.
Listeners, let me ask you, what small habit will you practice in English today?
Maybe it's asking about the weather. Maybe it's saying, I'm making breakfast. Whatever it is, it's your step forward.
We believe in you.
Okay, friends, we're almost at the end of our podcast, but before we finish, let's talk about something important.
Yes, we want to remind you, learning English takes time. It's okay to go slowly.
Right, you don't need to be perfect today. You just need to be a little better than yesterday.
And using AI is a great tool. But remember, it's just one tool. You can also listen to podcasts like this one.
Yes, listening helps you learn pronunciation. It helps you understand how English sounds.
And speaking to AI helps you practice using the words. Together, listening and speaking make you strong.
Let me share something personal. When I started learning English, I was very nervous. I thought everyone will laugh at me.
But did they laugh?
No, most people were kind, and the more I practiced, the easier it became.
That's inspiring, Jacob. And listeners, your story can be the same. Just start. Just try.
If you only do one thing today, let it be this. Ask your AI one question in English.
Yes, one question. That's all. You can do it.
And when you do, you'll feel proud. You'll think, I did it. I spoke English today.
That feeling is amazing, and it will make you want to practice again tomorrow.
Exactly. Small steps become big progress.
Listeners, we're so proud of you. Just by listening to this podcast, you're learning. You're improving.
Keep going. You're doing great.
All right, let's recap. Let's remember the key ideas from today.
First, AI is a great tool for practicing English. It's patient and doesn't judge you.
Second, you can ask simple questions like, what's the weather today?
Third, talk about your small habits. Say things like, I'm making breakfast or I'm drinking coffee.
Fourth, don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
And fifth, start small. One question per day is enough.
Let's practice our key phrases one more time. Everyone repeat after us. What's the weather today?
I'm learning English.
I'm making breakfast.
Please correct my English.
Wonderful. You did it.
These phrases will help you practice. Use them every day.
And remember, practice makes progress.
Okay, friends, it's time for our community question.
We want to hear from you. Here's today's question. Are you using your phone to speak English? And what's the first thing you say in English each day?
Tell us in the comments, or if you're listening on a podcast app, share your answer with a friend.
We love hearing your stories. Your progress inspires us.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.
Thank you so much for listening. We're Olivia and Jacob, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep smiling.
Bye-bye.